Unboxing gifts for Hopi. I think this is part 11 and I'm so excited because I manifested this.
Mustela. Mustela baka naman nakapagpadala na sa akin ng Unilove tayo online limos. Pero I heard Mustela daw, magandang mga creams. Kaya sa wishlist ko sila.
This one is from Mustela. Let's open it. I am so excited. This is one of the PR packages that I'm looking forward to. So we have lotion, cream, cleansing water. And then, may message pala. Miss Dea, congratulations on your pregnancy. Okay. And we have wipes, for sure. Wipes. And then, cleansing gel. I'm not sure what these are. Basta mga creams. We have pouch for babies. And we have a little cute toy. So, thank you so much, Miss Stella. And magagamit ko pa to. I'm so happy. Thank you.